Hello everyone, today's UX tip. Put the user first always. Every design decision should start with one question. What's best for the user? That is, understand their needs, eliminate friction, prioritize clarity over cleverness, test with real users, not just assumption. A beautiful design means nothing if it confuses or frustrates the user. Great UX is empathetic, intuitive, and user-centered. In UX design, putting the user first means designing products, interfaces, and experiences around the real needs, behaviors, and limitations of the people who use them, not around what designers think looks best or what stakeholders want to push. Why it matters? Most products fail not because of bad features, but because users don't understand how to use them or don't see their value quickly enough. Good UX removes confusion and friction. It creates clarity, trust, and flow. Core ideas behind this principle: user-centered design, a process that involves users from the beginning through research, testing, and iteration. Next one, empathy. Designers need to walk in the user's shoes, understand their goals, frustrations, and contexts. And accessibility. Designing for all users, including those with disabilities, ensures inclusivity. And last one, usability. It is making interfaces intuitive, consistent, and easy to navigate ensures users don't get lost or frustrated. Let's see example. Think about the difference between a confusing checkout page and one that shows a clear progress bar, simplified form, and helpful messages. The second one puts the user first, making them feel supported and in control. Let's see at good examples of this. In Google search, minimalized by design. Google's home page has one main thing, a search box. No clutter, no distractions. It puts the user primary goal at the center. User first design, simplicity and focus. Next one, Instagram stories. Tap, don't think. When user open Instagram stories, they just tap to go forward, swipe to go back, or swipe to move to the next story. No explanation needed. It's natural, fluid, and intuitive. Design around common behavior, user first. Let's see good and bad example for airline booking sites. The bad examples of this: some flight booking sites bombard you with pop-ups, upsell, and extra services and unclear flight filters. The user just wants to book a flight easily but gets overwhelmed, so users get frustration for bad UX. The good examples of this: Google Flights, minimal and lightning fast, no login required, search and filter all on one screen, smart calendar shows lowest prices, no spammy upselling. Design is not just how it looks, it's how it works for the user. If your user fails, your design fails. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and make sure to hit the bell button for more UX tips.